Good morning. Today's topic is trigonometric ratio from the chapter trigonometric function, exercise 3.2 from question number 5. So, the question is tan x equal to minus 5 by 12. Tan x equal to minus 5 by 12. X lies in the second quadrant. Okay. So, we know in the second quadrant all sign is positive and reciprocal of sine cosec is positive, others are negative. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So second quadrant tan x minus 5 by 12 is okay. So tan x equal
So
to
cot x will be equal to minus 12 by 5.
yes. So tan x equal to minus 5 by 12. X lies in second quadrant. X lies in second quadrant. Okay. So in terms of tan, the formula is in terms of tan we know
Sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x.
yes. So sec square x equal to 1 plus tan square x. We use this formula. So we have sec square x equal to 1 plus tan square x. Okay. So sec square x equal to 1 plus and tan x is minus 5 by 12. So minus 5 by 12 this whole square. Whole square. Now this equal to 1 plus 5 5 is 25.
25 by 100. So 25 by 144.
144, yes. 25 by 144. Okay. Then sec square x equal to sec square x equal to 144 is the LCM. So 144 plus 25 divided by 144.
So 169. So 169 by 144.
Yes, 169 equal to 169 by 144. Then sec x equal to
So 13 by 144 plus minus 13 by 12.
So 13 by
12.
13 by 12 under root 144 means 12 and under root 169 means 13. Okay. Now second quadrant sec is negative or positive?
So negative.
Negative.
So negative.
So therefore sec x equal to sec x
Minus 13 by 12.
minus 13 by 12 because since x lies in second quadrant. Okay. Now we know sec x means 1 by cos x.
So 1 by cos x.
1 by
cos x.
Okay, so cos x equal to 1 by
Minus
sec
12 by 13. The minus 12 by 13.
Yes, 1 by sec x. So this means minus 12 by 13. It's reciprocal. This is cos x. Okay, and question it is given tan x. No, so you can write cot x also you can write. So cot x equal to cot x
So minus 12 by 5.
1 by tan x. 1 by
minus 12 by 5.
yes 1 by 10x and this equal to minus 12 by 5 minus 12 by 5. This is cot x. Now which one left? We got cos.
So sin x and cosec x.
Yes.
Sin x.
Sin. So we can write now sin x equal to tan x into cos x. Now
Yes, sir.
sin x equal to tan x into cos x. Clear this one? Because
Yes, sir.
tan x means sin x by cos x. So cos x cancel. Sin x equal to sin x. It's okay. So we can write sin x equal to tan x into cos x. Okay. Easily we can find sin x. Now tan x we know. Tan x is given question. Tan x equal to minus 5 by 12. Minus 5 by 12 into cos x equal to minus 12 by 13. Minus 12 by 13.
So 5 by 13. So 5 by 13.
Minus minus plus 12 cancel equal to 5 by 13. So sin x equal to 5 by 13. Now
Cosec x is equal to 13 by 5, which is 1 by
13 by 5, 1 by sin x.
cosec x equal to 1 by sin x. So this is equal to reciprocal of sin 13 by 5.
13 by 5.
13 by 5. So you got all 5 ratios? Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All of you understand this process? How to find T ratios?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So always use this process only. Okay, by using formula only now. Next we will do question number 6. So question number 6 to 10 is different type of questions, that is find the value. Okay. So up to 90 degree value we know because in class 10 we done. No. Up to 90 degree value we know. No. Sin 0, sin 30, sin 45,
Yes, sir.
sin 60, sin 90 we know. But after 90, more than 90, how to find? Okay. So from question number 6. So number 6 is sin 765 degree. Sin 765 degree. This. Okay. Now first divide this angle 765 by 90. So by 90 divide 765, then 90 into 90 765. So 8 9 ja 72, 9 9 81. So 8 9 ja 72, 8 into 90 720, 720, 8 9 ja 72. Now remainder is 5 and 4, 45. Okay, that means we can write 8 into 90 plus 45. So this is equal to, you can write sin 8 into 90 degree, 8 into 90 plus 45 degree. Okay, up to this clear? First step, Hello? This is the first step. 8 into 90 plus 45. Okay? Now, you see this multiple of 90, 8 into 90. So, this is even or odd, this number. If this is
So even.
here even, 8 is even. If this is even, then sign will not change. Sign only. If this number is odd, then this T ratio will be changed. Okay? How to change? Sin changes to cos. Okay? Sin cos changes, tan cot and cosec sec. That 90 minus theta formula. Okay? Sin 90 minus theta cos theta. That one.
Yes, sir.
If this is odd. Okay? If it is even, then no change. Okay? Whatever T ratio is given, right. So, this is equal to sin. This is equal to sin 45. Whatever angle here, 45. Okay? This is the second step. Now, third step is this 8 into 90 plus 45. This is which quadrant? This angle lies. This angle lies which quadrant? This is the
The
quadrant.
first quadrant.
See, this is first quadrant 1. Okay, this is 2. This one 3 quadrant, and this one 4, fourth quadrant. So start from first quadrant always. Count
So first quadrant.
8. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 into 90 fourth quadrant plus 45. Then it will go first quadrant. Okay. So positive angle, so anti-clockwise.
Yes, sir.
So rotating anti-clockwise because angle is positive. So first quadrant, and we know first quadrant all positive. Okay, all positive. So this sign is positive.
Yes, sir.
Positive. So first step is divided by 90. Okay, then you write that dividend equal to 765. 8 into 90 plus 45. Then second step, you see that number, multiple number, that is positive or negative. Okay, we can say that is n into 90. So in general, n into 90. N is positive or negative. If n is positive, then T ratio will not change. That means even. If n is even, then T ratio will not change. If n is odd, then T ratio will be changed. Okay. Now third step is, see the quadrant. Quadrant depends upon sign, positive or negative. Which quadrant this angle lies. Okay. Now sin 45 is, this one we know. Sin 45 is, what is the value? Sin 45
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. So answer is 1 by root 2. So this is the answer, 1 by root 2.
Yes, sir.
Now tell. All of you
So
understand?
can
Yes.
no, sir. So can you explain once again that how sin 45 became positive?
Because 8 into 90, which quadrant? Say 8 into 90. Start from first quadrant. 1 into 90, first one. 90, no. 0 to 90, first quadrant. So
Yes,
1 into 90, first quadrant. So like this, so you count anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is fourth quadrant, no? 8.
Yes, sir.
8 fourth quadrant plus 45. So again it will go next quadrant plus 45, next quadrant. Next quadrant means 1, first quadrant. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So total angle 765 degree lies in the first quadrant. So first quadrant all positive. So sign also positive. Now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
So it is 1 by root 2. Okay. So next question we'll do. Next. This one all of you written. Number 6.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
7 number you see now. Question number 7. 7 number question is cosec minus 1410 degree. 1410 degree. This. Okay. Now, first use this formula cosec minus x equal to. Use this formula first. Cosec minus theta equal to cosec minus theta. We know sin minus theta equal to minus sin theta. Okay. So cosec minus theta also minus.
Yes, sir.
So we know this sin minus theta equal to minus sin theta. Okay, and so cosec also cosec minus theta equal to minus cosec theta and cos minus theta equal to plus cos theta. Remember this. Okay, cos theta. Okay, cos minus theta plus cos theta, sin minus theta minus sin theta. So first you use this rule. So cosec minus theta equal to minus cosec theta. So this equal to minus cosec 1410 degree. Okay. Now divide by 90. First step. Divide by 90. 1410. So 90 1 ja 90, 92 ja 180, 1 91 90. So 1
51.
1 and 14 minus 9 5 no
5.
5 and take 0 cut 0. So 510 5 9 ja 45 450 6 9.
5, sir.
So 5 450 450. Then
60.
that means remainder 0 and 6 60 no 60 degree.
Yes,
no?
sir.
So you can write equal to minus cosec 15 into 90 degree plus 60 okay, clear this step? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see second step. Minus 15 is odd no 15.
Yes, sir.
It is odd. So this T ratio cosec will be changed. So cosec changes to sec.
Sec.
Cosec is theta sec. So because of odd, 15 is odd. So minus sec 60 degree. 60. Now see the quadrant. This 15 into 90 plus 60 lies which quadrant? Hello? 12 is the 4. Fourth quadrant is 12. Then 15 is third quadrant now. 15. Hello?
Yes, sir.
15 is third quadrant. So 15 into 90 plus 60, that means fourth quadrant, no? 15 plus something, 60.
Yes, sir.
So it will go next quadrant, that is fourth. Now, fourth quadrant, sec is positive or negative? Fourth quadrant?
Positive.
Positive.
Fourth quadrant sec is positive or negative?
So positive.
Positive.
15 into 90. What? First 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Say, count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 is fourth quadrant. Okay. So 13, 14, 15. 15 is third quadrant plus 60, that is fourth quadrant. Okay. Clear now? Question 1410 degree.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So divide 91 to 90, that is 51 0, 45, 60. No. Now, so fourth quadrant sec is cos, all sin tan cos, cos positive, so sec also positive. So it is minus sec 60 degree, minus sec 60. Now sec 60 equal to
2.
so it is minus 2. Cos 60 half, sec 62. So answer is minus 2. See now. Tell. It's okay. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Any question?
Yes, sir.
Anyone? Clear? So at first, cosec minus theta. Okay, we know cosec minus theta means minus cosec theta because sin minus theta minus sin theta. And cos minus theta plus cos theta. Okay, so minus cosec 1410 degree and 1410 means 15 into 90 plus 60. So it is odd. So cosec will change. So we know sin changes to cos, tan cot, cosec sec. So cosec sec, so it is sec 60. Okay. Now sec 60 minus sec 60, and which quadrant this is? 15 into 90. Okay. So start from first quadrant, count. 8, 12, 12 is the fourth quadrant. So 13 is the first, 14, 15. So 15 into 90, okay, plus 60, that is fourth quadrant. So fourth quadrant we know cos is positive, all sin tan cos. Okay, say one thing. Hello, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, see, this will be plus. You see, one more. Which quadrant? Fourth quadrant, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sec will be
That
So
plus.
is
sec
the
will be
angle is fourth
positive.
quadrant. So cosec fourth quadrant positive or negative? See the question, not sec. Question is cosec, no? So cosec is positive or negative? Fourth quadrant, cosec is negative, no? So negative, negative, positive.
Yes, sir.
This will be plus. See, okay? Remember this. So answer is plus 2. This is the answer. That means always you have to see the question. Question is cosec. Okay. So cosec 1410 degree, 1410 degree, that is fourth quadrant, and cosec is fourth quadrant negative. So negative, negative, positive. So answer is plus 2. Clear now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do one more question. Okay. Number 8. Question number 8. Tan 19 pi by 3. Tan 19 pi by 3. Tan 19 pi by 3. Pi is 180, we know. So equal to tan 19 into 180 by 3. Okay. So 360, 180. 360. Okay. So this is equal to 10 multiply. So what is 60 into
1140.
So okay,
Yes, sir.
1140, no?
Yes, sir.
Plus 5, 11. Okay. So 1140 degree, 10. Now divide by 90. 90. 1140. So 91 is 90. 91, 90. Then 4, 2, 24. Cut 0. So then 3 9 ja 27, no, 92 ja 180. So 180, then
60 remainder.
60, yes, 60. So now write this equal to 10, 10,
12 into 90 plus 60.
yes, 12 into 90 plus 60. Plus 60, now you see, equal to 12 is even number,
Even.
even, then no change, so 10, 10 only, 10, 60, 10, 60. Now see the quadrant, 12 into 90 plus 60, which quadrant? This 12 into 90, start from here, first quadrant, so 4, then 8, 12, 12 is here, fourth quadrant, 12, no, 12 is fourth
Yes,
quadrant,
sir.
Yes, sir.
plus 60, that means first quadrant, no, first quadrant,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
first quadrant all positive, so 10 also positive, all positive,
So it will be, yes, sir. So it will be equal to root
So
3.
root 3.
root
So
3, no?
root 3.
Yes, so this is the answer, answer is root 3, so answer is root 3, this is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One more question is there. Okay, number 9. Number 9. Question number 9. 9 number is sine minus 11 pi by 3. 11 pi by 3. Okay, this is the question. Sine minus 11 pi by 3. So sine minus theta equal to, hello, minus sine theta,
So minus sine theta.
minus sine 11 pi by 3. 11 pi by 3. Okay, now pi is 180. So minus sine 11 into 180 by 3.
So 660.
So minus sine 660 degree.
360. So this equal to minus sine,
Minus sine 660 degree.
yes, 6 11 66 0 degree. Okay, now divide by 90 equal to minus sine, so 90 into 7, then
7.
7 9 ja 63, 630, no, 90 into 7, no,
30.
yes, so 90, that is 7 into 90, 7 into 90, no, plus
So 7 into 90 plus 30.
Plus 30.
plus 30. So 7 into 90 plus 30, 7 9 ja 63, 630 plus 30, 660. Okay. Now see, 7 is even or odd? 7
Odd.
odd. Then sign will be changed. Sign changes to
Yes, sir. Cos.
cos. Yes, cos. So cos 30. Now see the quadrant. So 7 into 90 plus 30, which quadrant? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is third quadrant. Plus 30, the fourth quadrant. Okay. Now fourth quadrant sign. Question is sign. Fourth quadrant sign negative or positive?
So negative.
Sign negative.
Negative.
Positive. Okay. So negative, negative, positive no now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So positive. Now cos 30. So what is the value of cos 30?
Root 3 by
So
2.
root 3 by 2.
Yes. Cos 60 we know. Half. Cos 60 we know. Half. No. Cos 30 root 3 by
Cos 30
Yes,
is
sir.
root 3
1
by
by
2.
2.
Okay. See now. Anyone, any
Yes,
question?
sir.
See. Now clear now? Do you understand now? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now you can find no any angle.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, anyone, any question? Then you can ask now. This is important, okay?